Good morning, everyone. Hope you're all doing good. Welcome back to my channel. All throughout our life, from our ancient time, this human life has evolved so much, and this is the only species on the earth that has grown up to an extent where we have become creators of many things in today's world. Yeah. So when you look at this particular body, the human body that is given to us, it is not something just made of flesh, bones, and all the nerves, blood, and organs, and all that. Of course, it's a similar thing for animals also. Animals have a body, flesh, blood, and organs, and everything given to us. We are like animals, but we are much more than the animals, other species in this particular world. What is that? See, besides all these things, we were also given something called as an intelligence that was actually blessed to us. The chakras that actually differentiates us from other species, I would say animals. How? See, we have chakras that actually is a kind of intelligent system that we have to fine tune so that we can achieve whatever that we want. And in fact, the memory system that is given to us is not just only in the brain. We have different types of brain inside us. This system is not so simple, it's a complex system. And when we are talking about brain, the memory, it's not just conscious and subconscious memory. In fact, the whole body is created of memories. Your body has a memory. If say for example you see a blind person, they should be able to remember their father and mother just by their touch. How it happens? It's because the body has some memory. Even we have that capacity to actually identify something with our flesh, with this muscle. So it is not something that is so simply blessed to us. I know, Shashi, why are you actually talking so much about these things? Coming to the point, when this complex, wonderful, supernatural system is given to us, what was the question I'm asking is, are you someone who is just leading your life just to, just for eating or just for enjoying life? I've seen people saying like, I live for eating. See, you have been given a supercomputer to do something beneficial for others, to find your own meaning. You have not come into this journey just like that, just to enjoy and go away. No, that's not the reason we have been born here. Have you found your meaning? What is your identity? What are you for? What people recognize you for? If you have not found the answers for this question, at least start today. There is nothing late. At least start today. I know these are like big questions, but the reason why I ask this question is there is one important thing that you should also need to understand. Having you blessed with such wonderful body, see, whatever that you eat also impacts your thoughts, also impacts your body. How you behave, how you think, everything has a huge impact in whatever that you put inside this mouth. So the moment you eat something, please pick up anything that is healthy. You don't need to do hours and hours of exercise. You don't need to do a long time yoga and all that. I'm not saying these are not beneficial, but please understand these are beneficial, but you don't need to suffer so much. In fact, our ancient pioneers, how they have led their life is having healthy food, picking healthy choices, fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, green leafy vegetables and foods. They're not overcooking the food. See, we have evolved so much from being a hunter-gatherers to today, whatever that we are living in this particular technology, because I have seen people eating all those canned foods, all the canned juices. I think it is so healthy, what they see, what they eat for the breakfast, they say like, I eat cereals. These are really good. They give iron, minerals, and everything. This is actually fortified with iron and minerals and all that. So you know what? You are becoming full the end of the day. Just these words written at the back of some packets that you consume, it's just simply getting fooled by some companies. I'm not meaning somebody, but it commonly happens. But what I would suggest you is, what is healthy food? Anything that you cook and eat within 3 hours at your home. Whatever that you are able to cook in your own home, if you consume it within 3 hours, it is the most healthy food that you can eat. But of course, there are some people who overcook, who don't know how to cook their food. They just cook for kind of taste and all that. But the person who is cooking in each and every house, it can be a man or a woman, I would also tell them, please, while you're cooking, there is one important work that you're doing, because food is the life for life energy that we are taking in. So when you're preparing something, so please be in a positive state of mind. You can listen to some spiritual mantras, or you can listen to some positive audios, or think of something positive. You cannot keep thinking something positive for at least 1 or 2 hours that it takes for cooking the food, but still you can listen to some audios. Or if you're someone who like to chant mantra, you chant mantra and cook it, you will be able to see a huge difference. You are actually giving the healing power through that food. And don't just take this easy. This is a phenomenal change that can make for your life, that you can make for your life, the person whoever is cooking. So start chanting some mantra, even some Dr.Sasirekha, some whatever that you know. Even if you don't know anything, not an issue. Go ahead and switch on something on your mobile phone, an audio slokas, and cook while you're listening to it. It will have a huge impact on health of every members who is consuming this particular food. And do not overcook your food. Do not overcook your food just for taste. Please try to have half cooked. When I say half cooked, I know it is not easy, but it is so healthy. If you look at Japanese, they all eat half cooked food, but they look very young, they look very beautiful, they don't get aged so soon. So when you want to live a healthy life, I would suggest, please, this particular body which is blessed to us, which you have all the responsibility to take care of, you should handle it in such a way that you are blessed with something that you need to carry it all through your life. And you might see like the movie celebrities and the actor and actress who are coming in the movies. Do you think the way they are looking at is they are born like that? No, it is not like that. They should take so much of effort in maintaining such things. So what I'm trying to say here, they have to pick each and everything that they are getting inside the mouth. They have to find themselves in a peaceful environment. They have to eat healthy food. They have to get good sleep and all that. See, I'm not saying we have to also, only when we are becoming an actor or actress we need to follow that. No, you as a common person, everyone has a responsibility to take care of this body, which in turn will take care of us in whatever that we are going to do, because body is the most important thing, most important factor when you want to be successful in anything. Yeah, so you have to take care of yourself first, only then you will be able to succeed. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.